prison for animals. Abolition, Science Media, here at the Toronto Zoo, aka Prison for Animals. The original concept of zoos is for the curious to gawk at the strange critters from around the world. It also, once upon a time, featured, oh yeah, look it up, I'm not doing your homework for you, people from Africa and other nations locked in the same cages as other funny creatures to gawk at. Right now they have a kind of mission statement, kind of a number of things that they believe they're doing. Captive breeding, habitat preservation, I don't know how, species reintroduction, conservation, and all wrapped up together in a thing called species survival plan. The premise is that there is some place for these 5,000 individuals representing 300 communities of creatures to return to. When the lesson of biological research worldwide is whenever these scientists find an interesting population or community of creatures to investigate, upon reporting and their return, they discover again and again and again there's nothing there anymore, that it's gone. The rate of habitat destruction is so incredibly quick, and so devastating, that the entire idea of this zoo and all the other ones is basically extinct. There's no place for these persons to go to, the 5,000 souls that are here, interred. They're here for life. They're here for death, to death. There's no parole, there's no release in the future. And the solution, we have to stop these places together. Return the animals to where they came from right away, because if we don't, there'll be nothing there for them to return to, period, worldwide. Dedicate ourselves to habitat preservation, conservation of the creatures that exist here, particularly in Canada, and elsewhere, instead of wasting our time and money on prisons for animals. Bob Alisat, Science Media, Toronto Zoo, out for now.